Hello, welcome to Maths with Jay. In this video we're going to just look at the first two parts of this question and then we'll look at the third part in the next video. So here we're concentrating on finding how to express a quadratic expression in completed square form, and then we'll go on and use that result to find the coordinates of the vertex of the curve. So let's start with part one. So we know that we've got to start off by writing this as x plus something squared. So the problem to start with is to work out what the something is. So it's been written as a in the question. And all we need to do is to look at the number multiplying the x. And we can see that that's plus 8. And we just halve that. So we're going to have x plus 4 in this bracket. And then we need to think about what we've done there. If we've got x plus 4 all squared, that really means we're multiplying x plus 4 by itself. And so that's going to be x squared plus 4x is 8x. And then we've also got a plus 16. So we need to take that 16 away and then add on the 15. In other words, the answer is x plus 4 squared take away 1, because 15 take away 16 is take away 1. So that's the first part done. So we've written x squared plus 8x plus 15 in the given form. So we've found that a is equal to 4. And being careful with the sign, they've got minus b, haven't they? And we've got minus 1, so minus b is minus 1. So in other words, b is 1. And then notice that in part 2, we are being told that we have to use this result. So it's the word hence that tells us that. That's telling us to use what we've just done. So there are other ways to find the coordinates of the vertex of this curve, but we've got to use the completed square form. So in part 2, we've been given y is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 15, but of course we've just written that as x plus 4 all squared, take away 1. And we know that this is going to have the lowest possible value when x plus 4 all squared is 0. Because something squared is either going to be positive or 0. So the lowest value that that can take is 0. And that will happen when x plus 4 is equal to 0. In other words, x is equal to negative 4. And when x plus 4 is 0, then y will be equal to negative 1. So we know that the vertex has coordinates negative 4, negative 1.